Hello, this is Jamie with Creations Misfit, and today I'm going to do a yarn haul for you for Joann's and Hobby Lobby. I don't have any affiliation with either of them. This is all yarn that I've purchased by myself, but I thought I would show you guys what I'm planning for it and what I got. So I have bags and boxes here that I was waiting on all of it to come so I could show you. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, these first two I opened already because I was making something with them. This is Big Twist Posh yarn, and it's from Joann, and it's 233 yards. It's a size 5 yarn, and it's really super soft. And I got this in these two colors. This is black, let's see what the color is exactly. Black Sesame Ice Cream, it's called. And then this blue one is Blueberry Smoothie. And they're really soft. I wasn't sure what I was going to make with them. I actually, if you watched my last yarn haul video, let me see if I can pull this up. If you watched my last yarn haul video, you'll know that I purchased these by accident. I was trying to get the size 6 yarn from Big Twist, but they don't sell the one that I used for all my plushies anymore, which is very sad. And I thought this was it. So when I got this, I got the size 5, and I'm like, well, I can't make my size 6 patterns with this, so I have to think of something else. So anyway, I made some bees in different colors with this yarn, and they turned out really cute. I actually just made a video for them. If you want to check, it should be my last video posted. And yeah, these worked out great for the bees, and I'm sure I'll find a lot more things to use with these yarns. I do love them. It's just not what I was thinking when I purchased. And these were on sale for like, I can't remember, like $5.99 or something like that, which was great because you get a lot for a little bit. All right, so moving on, I got, let's open up this one. I got these yarns, these Mandala Thick and Quick yarns from Joann. Oh, this whole box. Okay, I got a few different colors. And I like these because I use them for messy bun beaties. I have a pattern for that, and I will show you a video here, or a picture here of some of those. And then I will put anything that I show you, I will put in just I'm so sorry, I can't think of my words right now. I will put a link to the description, or in the description box, for any patterns that I show you, like that bee. I'll put that in. These hats that I just showed you, the beanies, and you can also make that into a full hat. It doesn't have to be messy bun. I show you how to do both, but these are great for that. These Mandala Thick and Quick. This is only 87 yards, and it's a size 6, super bulky. This one is the color Pocket Watch. I got 2 of those. I only use one of these for the messy bun beanie. It's like almost exact. I only have like maybe 2 yards left when I'm done, 2 to 5 yards. So that's why I like these, and I get them when they're on sale, because otherwise I think they're like $10.99 or something, but these were on sale for like $3.99, which is great. And then this one is called Stairwell. Got 2 of those. Alright, let's see. Next I got, this is Big Twist. Oh, it's another Posh, and the color is Oyster Mushroom. I'm not sure what I was going to do with this, but because it was on sale, I got a few colors. I think this is another one here, this pink. I placed this big order with Joann, and they sent stuff like one skein at a time. Like this pink came by itself, like a bunch of other stuff came by itself. Yeah, this is another Posh, and the color is Raspberry Sorbet. Also, just a heads up with Joann, I mentioned this in my last video as well. I always put things in my cart, like as I'm thinking about what I need, and always when they have a sale. And you can use their coupons for their sales, but usually I put stuff in a cart, and then later that day, or if I keep it in my cart overnight, I'll get an email from them the next day saying, hey, you left something in your cart, check out today, and you'll get 25% off your whole order. So maybe try that if you're going to be ordering from them. I think I get it like pretty much every time, and then it saves me a lot. So okay, this one, yeah, see, this came by itself. They must ship them from all different stores. Okay, this is Big Twist Value, and it's the variegated yarn, and the color is Neon Lights. I've been using these for my Damn It dolls. I like how they just change color throughout. I will put a picture of Damn It dolls up here, and like I said, I also will put the link in the description box for the pattern tutorial. I have a written pattern as well as a video tutorial for those. I've also been using these for, I have a pattern for, what should we call it? Oh, like Kindle and iPad covers. I'll show you some of them here. And I love the variegated for that as well. So I'll put that link in the description box as well. Sorry if you could hear the wind. It is really windy outside, and I have my window just slightly open. Okay, next is another, I think this is the same, Big Twist Value. Yeah, and these are 269 yards. This is a size 4 yarn, and this one is called Spa Stripe. So I got this to make a couple of the Kindle covers as well. And this is a good yarn. I mean, for a size 4, it's always on sale. It's always cheap. I think, I don't know how much I ended up getting this for because I got that extra 25% off. I think I got this for like $2, maybe less. Okay, and moving along, I got, here's more Mandala Thick and Quick. This one is called Labyrinth. This is such a pretty blue, and this one is my favorite. I've made hats with this before. This is called Tentacle. I love how these colors come out. So I ordered 2 of those. Alright, then I have this big box from Joann. I got these Big Twist Values, which I use a lot. I really do love, my favorite size 4 is Hobby Lobby's I Love This Yarn, but Joann, I order from there a lot, and so I always get the Big Twist Value, which is similar to I Love This Yarn, but it's definitely thinner, even though they're both a size 4. But for a lot of projects, it works out great. Like I use these for the wine caddies, like wine bottle holders. I have a pattern for that. I'll show you some pictures here. And this is perfect for that because it's not too thick, but it's thick enough that it holds. And all kinds of stuff. I mean, hats and everything. I use this a lot. So it's 380 yards. It's a size 4 medium. This is ivory, I believe. Yeah, ivory. I was just kind of replenishing because I use that quite often. I made a blanket with this for my grandma a couple weeks ago, and I'll post a picture of it here. It's like ivory and pink is what I use this for. So I was just replenishing. And then I got some Bernat baby blanket yarn because I do use this for a lot of my plushies. And this is a size 6 yarn, and you get 220 yards here. And the color is baby pink. This is a really soft chenille yarn. I make a lot of plushies with this. I have videos for the, I'll show you an octopus, and what else do I do? Oh, a bunny, like a peep bunny. I'll put up here, and I have videos for those if you'd like to make those. Alright, and then I got more of this. This is Red Heart Super Saver in a couple different colors. This is 236 yards. It's a size 4 yarn. This one is called, I'm probably staring right at Favorite Stripe, I guess that's the name of this one. And this one is Fruity Stripe. So I also use these for the Kindle covers, which are nice. And then I got another pink Bernat baby blanket yarn. And these Red Heart Super Savers, I got these colors as well. I just made a Damn It doll with these. I'll put a picture up, and I love how this one turned. I think it was this one, or maybe it was a purple, I can't remember. But this color is Polo Stripe, and this one is Parrot Stripe. I don't always love Red Heart yarns. It's a little bit thinner, and they're not as soft to me, but for something like the Damn It doll, the book covers, anything that's not a wearable, I will use this for. And even some wearables, I know that they wash, these do wash up to be softer. It's just not my favorite for like a blanket or something like that. Okay, and then I got Big Twist Value. I was just replenishing this. This is mustard because I was making a lot of pumpkins, and I'll show you a picture there. Some fall pumpkins, and I used up mine, and I have a video for that. And then I got 2 of the Big Twist Values in red because I use red often. I think this is just regular red. I actually have a stocking pattern, and I make a lot of stockings. I get orders for those every year. So I'll show you a picture here. I actually have 2 stocking patterns. I'll show you the red and white one. Oh, this is called deep red. And a simple stocking. And I have videos for both. I'll put in the description. So yeah, a lot of this was just kind of replenishing my stash, but these are good yarns. And then more Big Twist. These are just white, color white. I've been making a lot of those Taylor Swift hats that she wore to her boyfriend's game, and people are still ordering them this year. I did a pattern for the hat that she wore. It was not my original hat. I'm just putting that out there. Another girl made a hat for Taylor Swift. She wore it to the game, and then everybody wanted one. So I just did my version of it, and I have a video for it in a written pattern. But I've been getting a lot of orders for those, so I needed to replenish my white. And I got 3 of these. I think it's light rose. I use these for I have a beanie. It's called the Robin beanie, and that was after my aunt. I made that for her, and I'll post a picture. I sell a lot of these every year as well, and I have a written pattern and a video tutorial for these. A lot of people have watched that video, and a lot of people have bought the written pattern, and I get a lot of orders for these every year. Oh, sorry, there's a truck outside. Hold on. Sorry about that. So yeah, pink seems to be, this light rose seems to be the one that everybody buys. So I always have to replenish. So I bought 3 of those. And then I got a Bernat blanket, baby blanket in this blue. Whoops, what color is that? It's just called Bubbly Blue. Just because I use these quite often, especially for those bunnies. Those peep bunnies. Alright, so I think that's it for Joann. And then from Hobby Lobby, I got a big bag of polyfill. They have the cheapest polyfill of anybody that I've found. This is a 12-ounce bag. It was like $3. And Joann has the same one for like $12. Something like that. Or is theirs $9 or $12, and then Walmart's is something else, and Michael's is even more. So I always try to get it at Hobby Lobby. And then I got 4 of these. This is Yarn Bee Cozy Occasion, and the color is coffee. And I got these because I'm gonna make a football tutorial, like a plushie football. This actually looks like one. But I was gonna get the Bernat blanket yarn in like the chocolate or whatever they used to have, and they don't sell it anymore. So I could not find a size 6 yarn that was brown except for this one, like this color brown. You know, they had like some tan ones, but this is size 6, and how many yards? 101 yards. So stay tuned if you want to make a football for football season. I know we're halfway through it, but maybe next year. So I got 4 of these, and with Hobby Lobby, their yarns are on sale every other week, 30% off. All their yarn every other week. So you have to definitely check in when they have the sale. I would never buy it for full price. So these are $5 normally, so I got them for $3.50, which is good. Okay, and then I got this Yarn Bee for the Moment in Frosted Mauve. And I got this because I got an order. I'll show you the rest of the yarn first. I got a bunch of these. I got 3 of each. And this is, I love this chunky. And it's a size 5 yarn. It's called Plumberry, but it feels like a size 6. It's just as thick as any of my other size 6s. And This one is called Heathered French Lilac. So I'm going to use these three together. I got an order for a hooded scarf with pockets that I made the pattern for it like a few years ago. I have the video. I'll show you some pictures. I have the video pattern as well as the written pattern. But yeah, a friend of mine from high school ordered this for his girlfriend, so I'm gonna do it in these colors for him. So I think that's it. The others are just duplicates of these. And yeah, so those are my upcoming projects. I'm gonna make some placemats, like some fall placemats, or you could do them in any colors. They would work for Christmas as well. So that's what's on my list. I made the bee video today, so that will be posted before I post this one. And then I will be doing a football one soon and the placemats. So those will all get done before the end of the year. That's my goal, and maybe something else, but that's it for now. So if you are new here, thanks for visiting. I hope this was helpful and maybe finding some yarns you'd like. And if you'd like to take a look at my channel, I have a lot of video tutorials on there. I do have other yarn review videos with more different, different types of yarns. But mostly it's video tutorials and stitch tutorials. So please take a look. Subscribe if you'd like. I'd love to have you. And if you could like this video and make a comment about maybe if you've used any of these yarns or what you would use them for or any ideas, or if you like the video or not, I'd love to hear from you. So please like, comment, subscribe. I hope you have a really great day, and I will see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.